today on Nat Chats, I'm going to talk about how we're selling and renting homes during the COVID-19 or coronavirus pandemic. So that's the first thing. Properties are still selling and they're still renting. Indeed, at the moment, we don't have enough quality properties to sell or rent, with more buyer and tenant demand than we have actual stock. There you go. So far, I've sold 5 homes this month, the most recent sale being a couple of days ago, and all my sales this month have had multiple offers. In the weeks and months ahead, people are still going to need to buy homes, to rent homes, and to sell homes. And what's critically important at this time is making sure that you find and choose agents that have got the solutions in place, particularly when it comes to technology, to facilitate those transactions. We've been selling homes to overseas, interstate and remote buyers who can't be physically present at viewings for years. That's not new. Typically, those inspections have been one-on-one using something like Skype or more recently WhatsApp. That seems to be the tool of choice. At the moment, we're still conducting physical home opens, but to help with social distancing, we will be limiting the number of people inside a property at any one time. For new home opens or new properties coming online, we are going to be scheduling longer inspections to ensure that we've got enough time for buyers to come through. And we're going to be encouraging people to arrive throughout the home open period rather than right at the start to avoid potential wait times. And yes, we still do have some very busy home opens. This week, and it's something that I'm very excited about, we've been testing video conferencing technologies. It's very cool. And we're planning to do our first live virtual home open for a database exclusive buyers on a new property next week. So stay tuned for that one. And of course, all my properties already have some form of video or video walkthrough online as well to make it easy for buyers. So for the properties that I'm selling, that we're selling, there's already a lot of information that buyers can access and look through online before they decide to come to a physical inspection or request a virtual one. So this brings me back to how we're selling properties now and how we expect to be selling properties going forward. This is really important. If you're planning to sell, it's critical to find an agent and work with an agent that's responding to the changes and giving your buyers as much information about the property online as possible for you to get the best selling result. Your agent has to be comfortable with and proactively using technology and video. It's not good enough for your agent to be doing inspections by appointment for qualified buyers only and maybe using an interactive floor plan. That's going to significantly impact your potential buyer pool. It's also, I think, a very limited and reactive way to sell. You still need agents that have got their foot on the accelerator, trying to attract as many buyers as possible, making it easy for those buyers to purchase, albeit it might be in a different way. My personal view is once we're through this, and we will get through this, it's not an if, it's just a when, how we sell homes might actually fundamentally change. Our youngest generations have already embraced the virtual world and space, and this will just bring forward the rest of us doing the same. If you're thinking of buying or selling in the suburbs surrounding or nearby Beaufort Street, I would love to help. Call me on 0405 812 273 or email me at natalie@belcourtproperty.com.au. Have a great day and stay safe.